Hi, it's another fantastic day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. I'm at our Coto demonstration garden. We got a nice little plant here. This guy's a GREVILLEA Moonlight. It's a super popular hybrid, cross between a GREVILLEA banksia and a GREVILLEA whiteana. Sometimes it's called a Bush Lollypop. There's a little inflorescence of flowers here. The end of the stem looks like a little lollipop. This guy's got some seeds on him too. How about that? But I've got a bigger one right over here. Wow. This guy comes from Australia. He's a fast-growing, upright, bushy evergreen with large, white, luminous, ivory-colored flowers. Like we have right here. Wow, that thing's amazing. This is super. So it grows 8 to 12 feet high, about 6 to 8 feet wide. Take a closer look at this guy here. Underneath, so he comes from a single trunk, comes up and it forms these nice smooth branches coming out, and the branches are covered with these leaves. This here is one leaf, and we got leaflets. So from afar he looks really dense, but if you get real close, almost like he's really thin and fern-like. So the leaves here are the leaflets. They're finely textured. They're green on top, and they're showy silvery glauca green on the bottom here. About 6 to 8 inches long, and they just fill this plant in. So showy. And the flowers, take a look at flowers here. Now it flowers almost all year long. You've got this ivory colored flowers here. They form at the tips of the branches. They're all spidery looking. Amazing. It's got lots of flowers here. We have the anthers sticking up. And look real close. See how they curl in there? They almost have little seeds forming where it curls. It's pollinated by hummingbirds, bees, insects. Sometimes you find ants on these guys because it's so full of super sweet nectar. Little insects love this guy, and it's great for like at-home showy flower. You kind of cut the stem and you put it in a vase and it'll bloom for you. Isn't that wild looking? Unbelievable. So in time they'll go to seed. This whole cluster of seeds here all over here. Wow. And I've never tried it, but I heard it's really hard to grow these from seed, but you could try. Wouldn't hurt. Got more flowers here on the other side. Some more seeds here, and over here we have more flowers here coming up. Look at that. Let's get right inside there. And they'll kind of curl under. Wow, beautiful. So at home, you want to grow this at home. Okay, well, it's drought tolerant, low water, it likes full sun, partial shade, well-drained soil, does not like fertilizer. It's hardy down to 25 degrees, and you want to shear it or prune it to keep the shape here. Not that hard. See how you just cut it right off right there when it gets too wide. You keep this at a lower height or a higher height and just form it out like this beautiful, beautiful dome shape. Look at the way it kind of has a yellowish, greenish, silvery, the augment of those great flowers. Look at here, way at the top. There's a big cluster right there. Wow, holy smokes. This plant is fantastic. This is our Grevillea Moonlight hybrid all the way from Australia. So, hope you liked that video. Please like, share, subscribe, all the rest. And please have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.